The Income Tax Department has been searching the offices of Chinese mobile companies in Delhi, Tamil Nadu and Hyderabad. These are pan-India searches. Let's go across to Arvind Gunasekar for more on this. Arvind, what details do we have about these searches, and are these specifically on mobile companies that are Chinese?
Yeah, Sarah, on December 21st, the Income Tax Department initiated pan-India searches spread across 12 states, including the national capital, Delhi, and also Maharashtra, and also Tamil Nadu. So after the completion of this pan-India search at the premises of two major mobile companies, one Xiaomi, second one Oppo, after the completion of the searches, now the Income Tax Department has put out a statement. Though the Income Tax Department has not revealed the company names, these two Chinese company names, but both Xiaomi and also Oppo, both of them have come on record earlier when the searches were happening. And in a statement to media, both of them had said that they are cooperating with the Income Tax Department searches. Now the Income Tax Department, after the completion of the searches and also the examination of the documents that were seized from the premises of these two companies and also their related associated companies, now they have said that both these major Chinese mobile companies have violated Indian tax laws and they are liable for penal action, and that particular penal action, the quantum of the penal action will be more than 1,000 crores. So that's the very important point the Income Tax Department has revealed after the completion of the searches at the premises of these two companies. They have also said that both these companies have also made foreign remittance to the tune of more than 5,500 crores. So this is again the Income Tax Department, after the completion of the searches, they have revealed it. Also, very, very importantly, the Income Tax Department has also said almost 5,000 crore foreign funds to the tune of 5,000 crore was introduced in the books of an Indian company by one of the Chinese company. But the source of this particular 5,000 crore, the foreign funds of 5,000 crore, is doubtful, is what the Income Tax Department is claiming. So what they are also saying that apart from all these three major lapses, that both these Chinese companies also inflated the expenses in procuring the components for their mobile manufacturing units. Thereby, they reduce the the tax that they have to pay to the Indian authorities. So these are the lapses that the agencies, the Income Tax Department has found in its searches. So the Income Tax Department has said that both these companies should pay a fine, should pay a tax or a penal action of more than 1,000 crores. So we have to wait for the reaction of both these companies. But a pan-India searches have been completed by the Income Tax Department, where they have come up with major lapses on the part of these two major Chinese mobile companies.
All right, Arvind Gunasekar reporting on the big breaking story at this hour. Income tax searches on mobile companies. These are Chinese companies for allegedly violating the rules and norms to evade taxes.